guys, what is up today? We are going to talk about, let's just say, Instagram. We're talking about Instagram and what are they up to these days. So, let's get started and let's keep me on the start of the video. Instagram plans June 20th launch event for a long-form video hub. As you know, we all have YouTube and Vimeo as our long-term video platform where long-term videos are allowed to have. But with Instagram, there is more viewership allowances than what YouTube offers. So, what Instagram is planning for this, they are asking many people in reporters to RSVP for the June 20th of the special event. More like I think it's like a surprise, basically. I'm calling it a surprise special event. It's gonna be this is Instagram's chance to involve social media to just media. It's only gonna be Instagram is going to become as a platform, as a media-based platform where you see your photos and video. And stealing a longer mobile viewing sessions away from the YouTube theme and the Snapchat Discover. So, this is what Instagram is planning. Okay. Format. The details long-form video hub that we've heard from our sources, and the format will let creators upload 4K full screen. It's basically going to let the creators upload the 4K content to their Instagram platform, which is kind of old. You can easily upload a 4K file to Instagram, Basically, you can do that. Especially we have phones right nowadays that can do that. Cameras nowadays that can do that. Instead of the current 60-second limits that we have on Instagram. So Instagram takes up to 60 seconds video clips. You cannot have a video clip that's long form on Instagram. So that's what's Instagram's plan on that one. And then the destination as well within the centralized for creating more videos as an option to continue watching clips. And you've already started. That is unclear where it's in app or a separate Instagram hosts this destination. And then Instagram has been meeting with social media stars, including content creators and content houses, for the partners to the June 20th revealing. So, and then Instagram also has its mid-level quality that you see on YouTube from star creators shot forethought and nice cameras. YouTube creators as the YouTubers, the big name YouTubers, like say, I don't know, Casey Neistat for an example. Or iJustine. Basically those big name YouTubers. As well, most of you won't add the Netflix. Quality, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, Instagram will let creators add a link that can be visited by swapping up on the video so they can drive traffic to their other social presence, e-commerce or stores or websites, which it basically would be great for many YouTubers who, it's basically for smaller YouTubers that can drive more viewership to their YouTube channel. So basically it's called the links out. Basically. And then Instagram plans to let creators earn money off their long videos though it hasn't finalized it yet. I don't know when this is going to take, but this takes pre-roll ads or mid-break commercials, with creators potentially earning a revenue share. It's also quite possible that Instagram will announce its 1 billion users. Instagram has 1 billion users. It has the opportunity to sell in sweet spot between YouTube and Discover. So yeah, that is what's going on in Instagram land. Yeah. So if you're on Instagram, follow me at 70slive. At 70slive, follow me, okay? So make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all on it of at 70slive, and let me know what your thoughts on this one. Do you think Instagram is gonna be another competition for YouTube? And what's gonna happen? What are your thoughts on this one? Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me all over of at 70slive. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.